What if I told you that prostate enlargement, a common issue for millions of men, could be reversed naturally? In 2024, new discoveries and approaches are making it possible to shrink an enlarged prostate without invasive treatments. Imagine reclaiming your comfort and health, all through natural methods. In this video, we'll reveal the most effective strategies for naturally reversing prostate enlargement. Before we start, please subscribe to our channel to help us continue producing content about men's health. Here at Health is Natural. We believe that health is our natural state of being, and through natural methods, we can regain and maintain that natural healthy state. Prostate enlargement, or benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH, affects nearly half of all men over 50, leading to symptoms like frequent urination, weak flow, and bladder discomfort. While medications and surgery are available, many men are looking for natural alternatives. The good news is that by adopting certain lifestyle changes and natural remedies, you can reduce the size of your prostate and ease your symptoms. Let's break down the top methods for reversing prostate enlargement naturally. Let's count down the top 5 natural strategies for shrinking an enlarged prostate. 5. Saw palmetto. Saw palmetto is one of the most well-researched natural remedies for prostate health. It works by inhibiting the conversion of testosterone to DHT, a hormone linked to prostate growth. Numerous studies have shown that taking saw palmetto extract can reduce BPH symptoms and improve urinary flow. Beta-sitosterol is a plant compound found in foods like avocados, nuts, and seeds. Research shows that it helps improve urinary symptoms related to BPH by supporting prostate health and reducing inflammation. It's available as a supplement and can make a big difference in symptom relief. Pygeum is an herbal extract from the African plum tree. It has anti-inflammatory properties and has been used traditionally to treat urinary issues related to prostate enlargement. Studies suggest it can help reduce nighttime urination and improve bladder emptying. 2. Dietary changes. What you eat plays a huge role in prostate health. A diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats can help reduce inflammation and support hormone balance. In particular, foods like tomatoes, which are rich in lycopene, green tea, and omega-3 fatty acids, are known to have positive effects on prostate health. 1. Exercise and weight management. Physical activity and maintaining a healthy weight are crucial for reducing prostate enlargement. Excess weight, especially around the abdomen, can increase inflammation and hormone imbalance, worsening BPH symptoms. Regular exercise can help reduce prostate size, improve bladder control, and support overall health. Before we dive into the next natural remedy, be sure to check out the links in the description for the top-rated supplements that can help with prostate health. We've curated the best products to support your natural healing journey. We can't stress this enough. Managing your weight and staying active are key to reversing prostate enlargement. Even moderate exercise can make a noticeable difference in your prostate health, reducing inflammation and helping regulate hormones that influence prostate size. To sum it up, by incorporating these natural remedies, from herbal supplements like saw palmetto and pygeum to making simple changes in your diet and lifestyle, you can effectively reverse prostate enlargement naturally in 2024. Take action today and start making these small changes that will benefit your health long-term. If this video was helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips. Don't forget to check out the supplement recommendations in the description to find the best products for natural prostate health. Stay healthy, stay informed.